Part 2, Occurrence of algae. Algae are commonly presumed to be occurring in the water and moist place, but algae are found in variety of habitats. Some of the occurrence of algae has aquatic algae, terrestrial algae. In aquatic algae, it can be present in the two forms, freshwater form and the marine form. Freshwater form are found in the water of the slow salinity, such as in the pond, lakes, rivers. Example is the Vaugeria chara, and some algae are found in the slow running water also. While Spirogyra, which are found in the stagnant water, marine forms mean the algae found in the seawater are called as marine algae. Such algae grow in the water of high salinity. Marine algae can be a microscopic and very large in size. Example है microcet जो कि 70 मीटर्स की होती है. Some of the marine algae are the Sargassum polysyphonia. Terrestrial algae grow on the moist surface area. Stones and the rocks are the terrestrial algae. The algae growing on the surface of the soil are called as saprophytes, and the algae growing under the surface of soil are called as cryptophytes. Some terrestrial algae grow on the moist wall and the bark of the tree. These algae absorb the CO2 and water from the atmosphere. Some examples of the terrestrial algae are the Cholera oscillatoria. And there are a few other forms, that is the lithophytic algae, the algae which are growing on the surface of the rock and the stone. Halophytic algae which algae grow on the high concentration of salt. Thermophytic algae which algae that grow on the high temperature. Cryophytic algae, that is which algae that grow in the snow and the ice, are known as the cryophytic algae. Example, अगर रेड स्नो हो रही है तो किसके द्वारा होती है? हेमेटोकोकस निवेलियस के द्वारा. ग्रीन से हो रही तो क्लामाइडोमोनास येलो स्टोनेसियस के द्वारा. और पर्पल ब्राउन स्नो होती है तो वो होती है एंस्लाइकोमीनिया के द्वारा. एपिफिटिक, दैट एल्गी ग्रो ऑन द अदर प्लांट एंड द other algae are known as epiphytic. Example, polysyphonia. Epizoic, that algae that growing on other animals. Example है इसका Cleidophora crisposa that grow on the snail. Endophytic algae that are grow inside other plant are known as the endophytic. Example, nostoc in the found in the thallus of Antherocotius. Endozoic, that algae that found in the inside the body of the animal are the endozoic. Example, Zoochlorea that are found in the hydra and the spongy. Parasitic, that algae found as a parasite on the plants and animal. Example है इसका Polysyphonia fagitate is a semi-parasitic on algae Ascophyllum, और Cryphorius is a found on the leaf of tea, coffee and mango plant. Symbiotic algae, some algae of the Chlorophyceae and the Cyanophyceae are found in the symbiotic association with other plant. Nostoc and Anabaena make the symbiotic association with the anthorix and chloride root of the cycas. Plankton, algae growing on the surface of the water and found as a free floating on the surface of the water are called as the plankton. Planktonic algae are mainly members of the Chlorophyceae, Cyanophyceae and Basilorophyceae. When planktonic algae grow fast and increase the numericus in the number, these algae to form as the water bloom. नाउ टाइप बात करते हैं रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ द एल्गी की. बेसिकली 3 तरीके से हो सकते हैं, वेजिटेटिव, एसेक्सुअल एंड सेक्सुअल. वेजिटेटिव, इन दिस टाइप एनी वेजिटेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द थैलस डेवलप्स इनटू अ न्यू इंडिविजुअल. It does not involve the any spore formation and there is no alteration of the generation. It is the most common method of the reproduction in the algae. The vegetative reproduction are of the following type. First one is the cell division or the fission. It is the simplest and the simplest method of the reproduction. The unicellular form of the algae, commonly reproduced by this simple process, often called the binary fission, has found in the Chlamydomonas diatoms. In this method, the vegetative cell divide meiotically into the two daughter cell and those finally behave as the new individual. Second was the fragmentation. In this method, the multicellular filamentous thallus breaks into the many cell fragments, each of which give rise to a new individual. The fragmentation may be accidentally or by the formation of the separation of the disc or by some other mechanical force or the injury found in the Spirogyra. Harmogonia. This method of the vegetative reproduction is found in the blue-green algae. The trichomes of the blue-green algae break up within the sheet into the many cell segment called the Harmogonia or the Harmogones. They remain delimited by the formation of the heterosis separation disc or the Nicadia or by the death and the decay of the intercalary cell of the trichome. Harmogonia are commonly found in the Nostoc oscillatoria. Formation of the Equinetous branches. Equinetous branches are formed in the different large thalloid algae which, when detached from the plant body, develop into the new individuals. Example is का चेहरा. Next one is the bibbles. Tuber-like outgrowth are developed due to the storage of the food at the tip of the rhizoid on the lower nodes of the chara called the bibbles. After detachment from the plant body, bibbles grow into the new plant. Hibernate starch-shaped aggregation of the starch-containing cells develop on the lower nodes of the chara, and these structures are called as aluminium starch. When detached from the plant body, they grow into the new plant. Budding in the protopsyphon, bud-like structures are formed due to the proliferation of the vessels delimitated from the parental body by the septum, which after the detachment grow into the new plant. Next one is the asexual reproduction. Involve the formation of certain types of the spores, either naked or the newly swaddled. It is the process of the regeneration of the protoplast without any sexual fusion. Each and every spore germinates into the new plant, and in this method, there is no alteration of the generation. Asexual spores are of the various types. First one is the zoospore. These are the motile naked spore provided with the 2, 4 or many flagellated, known as the biquadri or multiflagellated zoospore respectively. Biflagellated zoospore found in the Chlamydomonas, quadriflagellated zoospore found in the Olathrix, multiflagellated zoospore are found in the Ogonium. But the multinucleated and the multiflagellated zoospore are found in the Vaucheria, are called as the sign zoospores. Each zoospore has a chloroplast and an eye-spore. The zoospore may be either haploid or the diploid. They are be formed within the zoosporangium, and there may be a single zoospore or the many zoospores per zoosporangium. Zoospore are either haploid or the diploid depending on the nature of the plant body, gametophytic or the spirophytic on which it develops. The zoospore are liberated either by the disintegration of the zoosporangial wall or by the formation of the apical pore on the zoosporangium. After the liberation, the zoospore swim for a while, then withdraw their fascicula and cyst and ultimately germinate into the new plant. Aplanospores are the non-motile spore. These spores are formed either the singly or its protoplast may divide to form many aplanospores in the sporangium during unfavorable conditions, especially in the drought. The aplanospore may also form in certain algae of the semi-aquatic habitat. When they appear identical to the parent cell, they are referred to as otospores. Aplanospore with a thick wall and the abundant food reserve are known as the hypnospore. They are formed to overcome the prolonged period of the designation. With the onset of the favorable condition, the hypnospore either directly germinate into the new individual or their protoplast may form the zoospore. Due to the deposition of the hematochrome pigment in their walls, the hypnospores of the Chlamydomonas nevus are red in color. Tetraspore. Diploid plant of the some algae produce a special type of haploid aplanospore called the tetraspore. Found within the tetrasporangium, the diploid nucleus of the tetrasporangium divide meiotically to form the 4 haploid nuclei, which with little amount of the protoplast are developed into the 4 tetraspores. After liberation, the tetraspore germinates to form a male and the female gametophytes, achenes. The vegetative cells of the certain filamentous algae develop into the elongated, thick-walled, spore-like structure with abundant food reserves called achenes. They can be tied over the unfavorable condition. With the onset of the favorable condition, they germinate into the new individual. Exospores. In some algae, spores are regularly cut off at the exposed distal end of the protoplast in the basipate succession called exospores. These spores aggregate in the groups and develop the new colonies. Endospore. These are the small spore formed by the division of the mother protoplast. They are also called as conidia or the gonidia, and they are set free after the dissolution of the mother wall. Without taking the rest, the spores germinate directly and develop into the new plant. Sexual reproduction. All algae except the member of the class Cyanophyceae reproduce sexually. During the sexual reproduction, gametes fuse to form the zygote, and the new genetic makeup can be developed by the fusion of gametes coming from the different parents. And here is the structure of the sexual reproduction. फर्स्ट जो डायग्राम है वो आइसोगैमी का है. आइसोगैमी का क्या मतलब होता है कि जो मेल और जो फीमेल जो गैमेट्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से मॉर्फोलॉजी और फिजियोलॉजिकल सिमिलर होते हैं, उनको देख के आइडेंटिफाई करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. सेकंड है एनाइसोगैमी का. एनाइसोगैमी का मेल और फीमेल गैमेट मॉर्फोलॉजिकल और फिजियोलॉजिकल दोनों डिफरेंट होते हैं. एक छोटा और एक बड़ा होता है. छोटा वाला मेल गैमेट होता है, इसको माइक्रोगैमेट कहते हैं. बड़ा वाला मैक्रो जो गैमेट होता है जो कि फीमेल गैमेट होता है. ठीक है. थर्ड जो है एग्जाम्पल वो फिजियोलॉजिकल एनागैमिक है, जहाँ पे फिजियोलॉजी मतलब मॉर्फोलॉजिकल तो दोनों एक दूसरे सेम दिखते हैं, पर फिजियोलॉजिकली वो क्या होते हैं, अलग अलग होते हैं. फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल ऊगैमिक है, जिसमें एक जो गैमीट है जो मेल गैमीट कहलाता है, जो कि माइक्रो गैमीट है, वो मोटाइल होता है, और जो दूसरा गैमीट होता है फीमेल गैमीट जो एग है वो क्या होता है, नॉन मोटाइल होता है। बेसिकली जब भी दो गैमीट का फ्यूज़न होता है तो जाइगोट बनता है, और जाइगोट हमेशा कौन से फॉर्म में रहता है, वो रहता है डिप्लॉइड फॉर्म में। ठीक है, अब इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं। डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर, फिजियोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर एंड द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द सेक्स ऑर्गन, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन आर द ऑफ द फॉलोइंग 5 टाइप्स. Autogamy. In this process, the fusion gametes are developed from the same mother cell, and after the fusion they form the zygote. From the above plant developed through the autogamy does not show the introduction of the any characteristics. Example, diatom. Hologamy. In some unicellular member of the vegetative cell of the different strain plus and minus behave as the gamete, and after the fusion they form the zygote. It is the insufficient process considering the point of the multiplication, but the new genetic combination are developed by this process. Example, chlamydomonas. Isogamy. It is the process of the union between the two gametes which are morphological and physiological similar. After the fusion they form the zygote, and the gametes are called as the isogamy. Usually they are the facilitated. Example, chlamydomonas, eugametodial or eulethrox, etc. And isogamy. In this process the unity gametes are the morphological and physiological different. The smaller and the more active one is the microgamete, that is the male, where the large and the less active are the one is the macrogamete, that is the female. Example, Chlamydomonas brunni. Deviating from the typical anisogamy, when the ununited gametes show the morphological similarity but physiological difference, it is called as the physiological anisogamy. Example, Sporogyra. Oogamy. It is an advanced process where the fertilization takes place between a small motile and motile, that is the male gamete, with a large non-motile, that is the female gamete. Male gamete develop within the antheridium, whereas female gamete develop within the oogonium. एग्जाम्पल इसका सरसासम, पॉलीसाइफोनिया, वॉचेरिया, चारा. थैंक यू सो मच.